Experience was okay. I mean, there were few technical glitches to start with. I mean, my personal system stopped or hanged approximately about 4 times. They actually moved my seat to a different location in the lab.
This time was also the first time TCS was conducting it, and I happened to notice a lot many glitches happening. In fact, in my room when I left, we still had probably 5 or 10 people still continuing with the paper because of the glitches. In terms of user experience, I wouldn't say it was good. The level in English was pretty decent, I would say. Something that most people can, if probably put in some effort, some time, can crack. The quant part was focused more towards formulas rather than probably figuring out things.
Now, coming to the test, I believe it was okay. Verbal part was quite normal, and the DI part, I would say, was the LR part and DI part was something a person had to devote too much time, while studying. And the quant level was normal, was not that difficult, but they had questions which were there in the previous year's exams as well. Just nitty-gritties were changed. The rest, everything was the same. That if you don't do your time management properly, you might end up losing on let's say questions which you wanted to review again.
I felt that exam was very lengthy. LR was difficult. Verbal was easy. Reading comprehensions were okay. Not that easy, but quant, surprisingly, some continuous 15-20 questions were easy. After that, it came to a point that yes, you have to try hard. And DI was in between, easy and okay.
Reporting time is 7:30 and for the test, and this report is too early.
That the centers that have been allotted, they should have been allotted according to the preference that they asked while filling up the form. That has not been done. People from far off have been allotted centers here.
And I've given my CAT paper for the third time. The difference was that the paper level, it got a little down as compared to previous year. It was easier. I am going to give it, on my scale, it is around 7 out of 10. Last year I can give it 8.
I think the paper was pretty decent. I did about 44-45 questions in all. And I think the paper wasn't very tough, it was moderate.
Okay.
Maybe if I had a little more time, I could have done a few more.
The paper was quite easy in the beginning because I started with English, and then the quant was a little bit tough. I could only attempt like 10 to 12 questions because I didn't want negative marking. And the English was quite a bit tricky. Not tough, but tricky. So overall, it was an easy paper.